Hello, welcome and thank you very much for visiting our page and for your interest in this Reiki Level 2 Refresher Course. This course has been designed with great care and affection for those Reiki practitioners who have already completed the Reiki Level 2 but wish to delve deeper into the Reiki knowledge and reconnect with the practice. With over 60 classes and a manual, we will completely review the first 3 symbols of Reiki. We'll address healing the past, distant treatments, strategies for overcoming bad habits, addictions, and different techniques for purifying spaces. As your teacher, I will guide you through each lesson, sharing my experience so you can improve your therapeutic Reiki skills and deepen your practice. The course, with a studied balance between theory and practice, provides unlimited access to the classes. And upon completion, you will receive a certificate validated by KisetsuReiki and Meditation School. So I hope I see you soon in the classes and we practice and enjoy Reiki together.